I have no idea.
Is that a plane?
I don't know.
Really, what is it?
I don't know.
It's a plane.
Go inside, turn on the news. I don't even recognize it. I have no idea where I am.
You don't think it was a meteor, do you?
No. That's not a meteor. Go, asshole! Go!
Go.
Well, if this does make it onto the news, it's going to have to be heavily edited. Jesus Christ, look at this.
That had to have been a plane. What else could it have been?
I don't know. That's no meth lab.
Not like this.